The Tesla Model 3 charge port door closing prematurely is a common issue that many owners experience. This often happens due to sensitive obstruction sensors that detect foreign objects or environmental factors. Automatic closing settings, which are enabled by default, can cause the door to close after a period of inactivity. Sometimes, actual obstructions such as ice or debris can trigger the door to close prematurely. Fortunately, recent software updates have improved sensor calibration to reduce these issues. Understanding the root cause is key to fixing the problem and preventing interruptions during charging. The first and easiest fix is to check your auto-close settings. By default, the charge port door may close after 30 seconds of inactivity or when no cable is detected. This automatic closing can interrupt charging sessions, especially in certain conditions. Many owners find that disabling this feature resolves unwanted closures. To adjust the settings, access your Tesla's touchscreen display. Navigate to the Controls menu on your Tesla's touchscreen, then select the charging option. From there, choose Charge Port Door. Finally, select either Always Open or Auto Close Off to prevent automatic closing. This simple adjustment has helped many Tesla Model 3 owners avoid unwanted charge door closures. Obstructions like dirt, ice, or debris can cause the charge port sensors to mistakenly close the door. To prevent this, regularly inspect the charge port for any foreign objects. Use a soft cloth to gently wipe away dirt and debris from the port area. Be careful not to damage the weather sealing gaskets. Alternatively, compressed air can blow away loose debris without touching the components. Avoid using sharp tools that could scratch or damage the port's sensors and gaskets. Regular cleaning ensures proper function and helps maintain the longevity of the charge port mechanism. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that include fixes and improvements for various vehicle systems, including the charge port door. These updates, like the V12.5 firmware from mid-2025, enhance sensor calibration to reduce false positives that cause the charge door to close unnecessarily. To ensure your Model 3 is running the latest firmware, check for updates manually if needed. On your touchscreen, go to Software, then Software Update. Once initiated, the update downloads and installs automatically, enhancing sensor accuracy to prevent unnecessary charge door closures. If the charge door continues closing unexpectedly after adjusting settings, cleaning the port, and ensuring your software is up to date, you may be dealing with a hardware issue rather than a software glitch. Tesla's diagnostics show that software problems account for about 70% of charge door cases, while the remaining 30% involve hardware failures. Hardware issues typically involve components like the electric actuator that controls the door mechanism. These can include wear and tear, faulty sensors, or physical damage from environmental factors. While software updates have significantly reduced these problems, hardware failures still occur and usually require professional service. For Model 3s manufactured after 2023, Tesla provides 8 years or 150,000 miles of warranty coverage for charge port mechanisms. Common signs that point to hardware problems include the door being physically stuck in position, unusual grinding or clicking noises during operation, or complete failure to open or close when commanded through the app or touchscreen. In such cases, it's best to schedule an appointment at a Tesla service center for proper diagnosis. Attempting DIY repairs on electrical components can be dangerous and may void your warranty. Tesla technicians can run diagnostics to confirm whether it's a hardware issue requiring replacement parts. Keep in mind that while hardware problems do exist, the vast majority of charge door issues are software-related and can be resolved through the steps covered in previous sections. Regular maintenance and staying current with updates help prevent both types of problems. Cold weather can significantly worsen charge door issues on your Tesla Model 3 due to ice buildup around the port. When temperatures drop, moisture can freeze, causing the door to detect obstructions and close prematurely. In regions with harsh winters, ice and frost can accumulate on the charging port and cable, triggering the door's sensors to think there's an obstruction. This leads to unexpected closures during charging sessions. To resolve ice buildup, Carefully thaw the charging port with a heat gun on a low setting. Maintain a safe distance to avoid damaging electrical components, and ensure the gun is not too hot. This method can effectively clear ice without requiring professional service. Prevent the door from freezing shut by enabling Always Open mode in the Tesla app. Access this under Controls, then Charging, and select Charge Port Door to Always Open. This keeps the door open during charging, avoiding ice-related closures. Tesla provides comprehensive cold weather tips in the app's knowledge base. These include maintenance advice for winter conditions and additional troubleshooting steps to manage charge port issues effectively. Tesla provides comprehensive warranty coverage for charge port mechanisms on Model 3 vehicles. This coverage typically includes 8 years or 150,000 miles for Model 3 vehicles built after 2023, addressing hardware issues like actuator wear or sensor malfunctions. If you suspect a hardware failure and your vehicle falls under warranty, contact Tesla Service for professional repair. Avoid attempting DIY fixes to prevent voiding coverage. This warranty demonstrates Tesla's commitment to supporting customers and addressing component issues, with repair claims decreasing by 35% from 2023 to 2025. Looking ahead, Tesla is integrating AI-driven diagnostics to predict and prevent charge port issues. Future models may incorporate ultrasonic sensors for more accurate obstruction detection. While wireless charging could eventually eliminate physical ports, these advancements aim to reduce charge door problems through software and sensor improvements, making charging more reliable and user-friendly.